Welcome back. Let us go through the question first. On a long horizontally moving belt, a child runs to and fro with a speed of 9 km per hour. With respect to the belt between his father and mother located 50 meters apart on the moving belt. The belt moves with a speed of 4 km per hour. For an observer on the stationary platform outside, what is the speed of the child running in the direction of motion of the belt? So the answer to this question would be 9 plus 4 equals 13 km per hour. As the direction of the moving belt and child is similar in this case, so here applying the concept of relative speed, we get it to be 13 km per hour. The second situation, speed of the child running opposite to the direction of the motion of the belt. So again, we apply the concept of relative motion, and in this case, as their direction are different and opposite, so we subtract 4 from 9, which is 5 km per hour. So in this particular question, we need to calculate the time taken by the child in scenario A and scenario B. Which of the answers alter if motion is viewed by one of the parents? So the distance between the parents is 50 meters. The relative velocity of the child with respect to both his parents remain same as the parents are also standing on the moving belt. So V is 9 km per hour, which converts to 2.5 meter per second. So in case of scenario A, the time is by V equals 20 seconds, and in case of scenario B, it's also 20 seconds. As both the parents are also standing on the belt, as well as the speed of the child would appear to be 9 km per hour to both the parents, irrespective of the direction in which the child is moving. Therefore, the answer A and B would change. The time taken by an object to travel from one point to another is independent of the observer, and therefore the answer to the question C would not change.